Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'll be doing a summer try on haul for Shein. I want to say that I have about 10 items to show you guys for today's haul. So yeah, let's just hop right into the video. So the first item for this haul is this green dress that I already have on now. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this somewhere, Instagram, YouTube. But yeah, I've been wanting this dress for a really long time. I've been wanting it since the very first time I saw it, which is probably like last summer. The shape of the top is really nice. You can adjust it if you want it smaller, if you want it wider. And I love that it has a low back. I love dresses with a low back. I feel like they're very flattering. And I just paired this dress with some gold accessories. I have these gold rings, which are also from Shein. These bracelets are also from Shein, but I really wouldn't recommend them because they're really big. Yeah, I also have this purse to go with it. This is like the perfect bag for like a vacation, just summertime purse. And I paired it with just some thong heels. They're clear and beige. This is probably how I would wear this. Maybe put in some gold hoops as well. But yeah, overall I really do love this dress. It's very flattering. I know y'all plan an outfit in your head when you're ordering clothes and it comes out perfect. That's this outfit. I know it's early in the haul, but I think this is probably gonna be my favorite one. But I have this lace-up bralette at the top and the bottom, so you can customize however you want to tie them. You can turn this into a cross neck. We can tie the bottom differently, however you want to. But yeah, I just paired it with this long skirt. It has a slit on the side, and I also paired it with these black heels. I feel like this is an outfit perfect for like a tropical vacation, just somewhere like on the beach, Jamaica, the islands, anywhere like that. This is perfect for that. I would wear this outfit maybe like walking down the strip, or if you're going to dinner. It's something really cute, but it's not doing too much. Alright guys, this is outfit number 3, and let me tell you guys, I did amazing picking out these pieces for this haul. And I tell you, this shirt, the pattern on here looks so good, especially it looks even better on. It already looked really good just sitting out, but putting it on, I don't even think the camera is doing it justice. And this shirt is amazing. When I first went on the model, I knew I just had to get this shirt. This shirt definitely screams spring, summer, vacation. Once I wear it out, I probably won't tie it like this. I feel like it probably looks better just hanging down, like dangling. I also paired it with these blue thong heels. This is my 10 out of 10 outfit. So this next piece I have is just a cutout black dress. Usually I try to stay away from like cutouts at the top because it's little titty committee over here, but this cutout actually looks really nice. It makes them sit up really nice as well. It's like a tighter cut at the top, so it helps them sit up really nicely without a bra. This would be cute for like maybe a summertime day, going to the club. Even though this dress does have a lot of cutouts, I feel like it'll be flattering on almost everybody. Like, so next up I have this two-piece set. It's just a basic white two-piece set. Since the material is thicker, it doesn't give that basic or cheap type of look. You actually can wear this set up or down. The look I was going for when I bought this set, you see I got a gold layered necklace, and I also got these shoes from Shein too. Wear this to make like a dinner, going out with your friends, going out for drinks, brunch, like that. Or you can just wear it casual with like some sneakers, with some cute jewelry, and then cute purse. That's what I like about this set. You can wear it however you want to, and it's still gonna look good. Alright, so the next outfit that I have is just this black shirt. It's one of those shirts that you can tie anyway. Flip the shirt upside down, wear it more like a halter, and then cross this at the bottom. Or you can wear it the way I'm wearing it now. The shirt is a little difficult to tie, but once you figure out exactly how you want to tie it, then after that it's good. I also have this orange ruched skirt to go with it. It's adjustable on the side, so you can decide if you wanted to wear it shorter or longer. I'm not sure if I would actually pair it this way. It doesn't look bad, but I think I would just go in another direction with this. So for the next part of this haul, I'll just be showing you guys some summer tops. But yeah, I picked all of these tops specifically because I want to start buying more clothes that I can wear either dressy or casual, not just one or the other. But yeah, It's the first top I have. It's just this white shirt and it ties at the top and the bottom. I would change about this top is the tie for the top is very thick and long. I guess it's so you can tie it different ways. But what I do love about this shirt is that most shirts like this are usually very thin. But yeah, whatever material they use in this top is really thick. Don't worry about trying to cover your nipples because it's thick enough that it won't even show. Yeah, this is definitely a staple piece for the summer. I feel like everyone should have a top like this in their wardrobe for the summer. So yeah, next I have this colorful wrap top. I'm not really sure what type of material this is, but it feels kind of silky, but it's not. But the shirt is very lightweight. I would say you probably would need like some boob tape or something because this shirt slides a lot, or maybe a pin right in the middle. This is something that's cute but not doing too much. The next shirt I have is just this crop top in the color brown. I think you could also wear it to where the thicker part is at the top, or you could probably cross it too. I love multi-purpose tops like this because if you're the type of person like you don't like to wear the same thing twice, you can wear this different way. So yeah, it's kind of like it's a new piece, but it's actually not. Material is very lightweight, but it's not see-through, which I really enjoy about that. The piece that I have is just this electric blue crop top. Yeah, this shirt, it has I cannot say asymmetrical. It has, this shirt has asymmetrical sleeves. So you can uncross it and wear it like this, or you can just cross it over your head. I've been seeing a lot of these tops lately and I love how blue looks on my skin tone, so I had to try it out. I'm probably gonna have to blur this top out just a little bit because I just noticed that it is slightly see-through, but it's not too bad. I feel like you can get away with probably just throwing on nipple covers. You don't really need a bra if you don't want one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. Thank you guys again for watching.